This week's vlog is brought to you by Skillshare. Thank you for the sponsorship, and to my viewers, you, for making it possible to live out creative dreams.
Today is where your book begins, the rest is still unwritten.
Another day in the PB studio. Welcome. We got Semi here with us.
Is it garlic again?
No, it's nothing. Kind of looks like an organ. Or a vulva.
So good.
She's working on job applications as I am organizing the space as well as packing some mugs that the workshop students need mailed out to them because they're all good to go and ready to be used for coffee and tea and warm beverages. I like how the second time around you make a cute face. Do the first one.
Get to go home now.
Today was a very productive day for both of us.
Yes.
All right, take a good long look at this corner because it's about to change. And I'm just going to hustle. I'm not gonna vlog. You're gonna see the before or after because I've been thinking a lot about feng shui and the energy and how that affects productivity. And I really love the shop, obviously. And it just makes me more critical thinking about the workflow because space is limited and I also need to do a lot of decluttering, organizing, perhaps investing in more storage. So, oh, there it is. I've been looking for that plate. Before, after. Wow, it does not look different, but what I did was collapsed one of my main tables and made the corner so much bigger. And a new friend that I made, Megan Wong, Brooklyn-based illustrator, is dropping off some items in the shop, so now you can purchase her goods here. And it's our first time chatting, so it was so lovely to have you visit Megan. Sending my love. I hope to see you soon. Some of them, like the local artists, are consignment since they can come drop it off, like including yourself. I was doing the dishes. And look, it's the first snow. Hear that sound? This is me making some coffee while I talk to you, while I work on things. I'm gonna do more of these kinds of cute check-ins. I find it really important to focus while I'm in the studio these days, and if I don't have help, I'm not really able to film because making sure that I get the most cinegraphic types of angles will really make me seated in this hyper awareness of how I'm perceived, which is obviously the whole point, I guess, of vlogging. These days, I don't know. Actually, I need to think about that and if that's true because it used to just be about being a historian and being able to reflect. And, you know, the more it's like a creative outlet as well as like a marketing tool for work, the more it needs to be monitored and I just need to be careful about it because things are really ramping up lately. It's super exciting, but I'm being careful to always check in with myself and body scan because I have a history of workaholism. In order to make meaningful work, I have to water myself and feel nourished to begin with. I think that goes with anything in life. Work-life balance, because without the other, one would be less meaningful. And the biggest mindset shift in a nutshell, I would say, has been me moving away from perfectionism and result-driven attitudes. It's really embracing being a student of life, realizing how much I love learning and being open to possibility. I'm getting excited even saying that and realizing, because lately I've been loving waking up early and trying new recipes and books. I love leveling up in different areas, and in the realm of work, I'm motivated to improve as a business owner. And I've used Skillshare to expand those horizons. I've grown up basically with the internet, so sometimes I forget what a powerful resource lies right there in front of me. In the rush, I just associate going online with distractions or coping with my stress. But I want to leverage the knowledge that's out there to level up, you know? It is a lot more chaotic than it looks. So specifically, the class I took is called Just Start. 5 exercises that lead to big wins, by Rich Armstrong, and it's on Skillshare, the largest online learning community. Industry professionals teach an array of courses, whether it's all kinds of creative skills, hobbies, or lifestyle courses that can include photography, Adobe systems, productivity, even plant and gardening. Specifically, this time I'm focusing on business and entrepreneurship, which is like a new category that I'm venturing into. There are literally thousands of classes, but it's also easy to find something that interests you with Skillshare's design learning paths. It's like a curated series of classes within specific themes. Mine is from creative productivity.
We do this so we can use our brain at full capacity again and not for storing information, ideas, and questions.
What I realized in my class is that I have been doing little things that Rich Armstrong was touching on, and to have somebody kind of put it into a lesson plan and for me to derive like a thesis from it has been super helpful for me to get focused. So whether you're inspired to invest in yourself, build some skills, or just have fun and try new hobbies, you can get started right away on Skillshare. Use my link below. The first 500 people get 1 month free of Skillshare. You can browse and see what inspires you. Thank you so much to Skillshare for the sponsorship and making this all a bit more possible. On something, and I look up and there's somebody climbing on the gate because they're doing construction next door. Okay. 我觉得第一眼你看这个 canvas 就是看起来很普通的那种 like oh yeah you see this every day. It's really thick, which is much nicer. And then 我的右手就可以伸进去开门 like this.
这是你的第一个 design 的产品，
Yeah.
big product. I'm so happy.
I'm
Wow.
happy too. I have total control. Don't worry, Grandma. Just a few days ago, our website is now open, so you can shop all of these products that we designed that just arrived. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the meantime, I'm probably somewhere in my studio right now, painting or cleaning or crushed by a box. But I will see you soon. Goodbye.